Hello, I'm CG Yan. This is a quick video to show how to insert table in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template. In this tutorial, I will use presentation templates. Click it. And then a presentation artboard is created. Then we can go to elements and we can find table. And we can find tables and we can click see all. There are many types of the table we can choose. For example, I choose this blue table, and then we can adjust the size, and also we can rotate it. I press Ctrl Z to undo it. Next, we can insert a column. We can click the three dots menu and add column here. Also, we can click plus to add column. If you want to add the row, we can move the cursor to add the row here. Next, we can merge the cells. For example, I select this cell and shift click to make a multiple selection for the cells. And then we can click three dot menu and merge cells here. Also, we can use shift clicks to select and we can change the color. For example, we can change to pink. Also, I want to change these three cells to blue. Now, if you want to change the border color, we can make multiple selection by using shift click, and then we can go to border and we can change all borders color to gray. Yeah, maybe I choose the light gray, and then we can make multiple selection for the whole table, and then I want to make the outer borders to black color, and then we can change the thickness. So we got the table, something like this. Now, if you want to add the text, we can double click the cells. We can type, for example, I type title. And then we can press Ctrl A to select all the text, and we can adjust the size. I make it to 42, and then we can bold it. So we can double click to add the text. So this is how we can insert table in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video. Bye bye.